Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, today's recipe is a simple stir fry with basic ingredients. How you combine these at different stages of the recipe is the secret, and this is what brings out the maximum flavor. So, stick on till the end of the video. Let's get started. These are all the ingredients needed. Cut the cauliflower into florets, place them into a colander and wash under running water. Let the water drain completely. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Add in some mustard and cumin seeds. Once the mustard seeds sizzle, add in thinly sliced onion and saute for a minute. You can add 1 to 2 onions. It's not a problem because it gives a good taste to the fry. Now add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix well. Add in the cauliflower florets. To this add half a teaspoon turmeric powder and mix well. Cover and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes over high heat, stirring in between. Now it's time to add some salt and then mix well. Cover and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add in red chili powder and mix well until combined. You can adjust the amount of red chili powder to suit your taste. And instead of the red chili powder, you can also add some Chettinad curry powder, and this will really taste good. Add in few curry leaves and 3 slit green chilies. You can be generous in adding the curry leaves as this gives a very good flavor to the fry. And adding green chilies imparts a nice flavor kick to the fry. Roast over high heat with occasional stirring. Ensure not to char the cauliflower, but they have to be well roasted and become brown in color. At this stage, add a teaspoon of black pepper powder and mix well. Adjust salt if required and then turn off the heat. After adding pepper, you shouldn't cook much, otherwise it will give a bitter flavor to the fry. Unfortunately, I forgot to turn on the camera while adding pepper, so the shot is missing. Sorry about that. Do enjoy it and subscribe to my channel MasalaKorb. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. It's me, Padma, signing off.